That changed pretty fast. Stick, stick all this in before it flies. Mhm. Here it comes. Wait. Okay, and we are safe. I feel like saying it's cold, but I'm not gonna say that. Someone will send me snow and what was that? I heard like a cracking sound, a tree or a branch. Where's that durian? Excuse me. I've got Andy today because his mother changed the class from yesterday, right? The bag fell from the table. Hi, just wash that bag. Hello. Checking to see if it's really dry. Remember that collar? We got it for her and we went to Mr. DIY. Got a little ball. Okay, I'm gonna have my second cup of coffee. Thank God I did the laundry yesterday. I'll put the rest of the marinated chicken out and then later just fry it up, cook some rice. Supposed to take her grooming today. We'll wait now. Hello? Hello? Not for you to play with. I'm going to fold. Let go. Hi. I stop first. You know, I didn't hear the eagle at all. I blame it on the rooster. Okay. Talk to you soon.